destination for speed, luxury, and exclusive treasures. Speed, precision, luxury. These are the words that come to mind when you think of the ultimate sports car. But for the ultra-wealthy, it's not just about owning a car, it's about curating a collection. A collection that speaks to the passion for craftsmanship, engineering, and, of course, speed. In the world of the ultra-rich, a sports car isn't just a vehicle, it's a work of art on wheels. But what makes a car worthy of such a title? What goes into crafting the ultimate sports car collection? It starts with the vision. Some of the world's wealthiest individuals dedicate themselves to curating collections that are not only fast, but also exclusive. These cars are often one of a kind, custom designed or built in limited numbers. Each car is hand-picked, not just for its performance, but for its uniqueness, its ability to stand out as a symbol of status. But building such a collection requires more than just a love for speed. It takes a deep understanding of engineering, design, and history. Take the Ferrari 250 GTO, for example. With only 36 ever produced, this car is one of the most valuable in the world, selling for upwards of $70 million at auctions. Each car in a luxury collection has its own story. Designers like Enzo Ferrari, Ferdinand Porsche, and John Bugatti have created masterpieces that blend high-performance engineering with breathtaking design. These cars represent the pinnacle of what's possible in the automotive world. Take the Bugatti Veyron, for instance. Capable of reaching over 250 miles per hour, it's more than just fast. It's an engineering marvel. But what truly sets the Veyron apart is its exclusivity. Only 450 were ever made, each one meticulously crafted with the finest materials. Owning these cars isn't just about passion, it's also about rarity. Luxury car collectors are constantly on the lookout for those rare gems that have the potential to appreciate in value. Auctions for high-end cars often resemble more of a battlefield than a sale, as collectors fiercely compete for pieces that might never come around again. For some, these cars are an investment. For others, they're a trophy, an emblem of success that transcends mere transportation. Whether it's the Lamborghini Centenario, the Rolls-Royce Sweptail, or the Pagani Huayra, owning these cars means you're part of an elite club. But it's not all about investment and status. For many, these cars are an extension of their personality. The roar of the engine, the rush of wind as the car accelerates, the feeling of power, it's all part of the thrill. It's about more than just showing off. It's about the experience of driving a masterpiece of engineering. To truly understand the art of speed, you have to feel it. There's something transformative about sitting behind the wheel of one of these iconic cars. The road becomes an extension of your being, and with every turn, every acceleration, you're reminded that you're in control of a machine built to perform at the highest level. But as with any art form, the value lies in the rarity and the timelessness. These cars represent a fusion of design, technology, and culture, a lasting legacy of the automotive world. The ultimate sports car collection is not just about owning fast cars. It's about creating a curated experience, one that speaks to a lifetime of passion, precision, and power. So what makes a sports car collection truly ultimate? It's the careful selection, the appreciation for craftsmanship, and the love of speed that come together to create a collection that transcends time. The art of speed is more than just about the race. It's about crafting a legacy that will last forever.